If you want to save more money on your car, watch this video till the end and save this video first. If you watch part 1 and part 2, which are the engine oil and power steering system light, this is the third one. When this light turn on, it's not for you to take your car for a trim. It means the water is not enough, so the temperature of the car spikes. Thus, your engine is overheating. A problem with the cooling system or low coolant can cause the engine to overheat, which leads to engine damage. Coolant helps to pull the heat away from the engine. So, without enough coolant, the engine could overheat or seize up. By continuing to use an overheated engine could lead up to permanent damage, such as the piston welding to the cylinders. Don't keep driving and ignore all these warnings. They light up in red for a reason, because all these lights will affect the engine problem if you're not aware, and then you will need to fork out more money just to repair the engine. If you benefit from these tips, share it with your friends and follow us for more.